mayambu akui Michael khangmin si Noel School haiba special program si mayam taram lokcheri haiba program si Northeast Education Channel powered by SS Career Solution na puthosabani haiba program si da ngasi ge lokcheri school si TJ High Secondary School ni school si Manipur gi khwadi gi favorite school khari manung da amani haidana mayam rivet tawno school ni madu dan na school si government school ma su oirevani loina school si nupi macha singkhak gi oina mai tampham oiba adugumba girls higher secondary school ma su oirevani school si hadak chahi gi pangthokhiba higher secondary examination conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Examination Manipur da amata ngairaba commerce science amasu arts ahumakta position puthokpa ngomtwe school ma su oirevani masida natana school si dagi stream ahum jigi manung stream ani gi first position si school asi dagi puthokrebani high school si dagi subject paper mayam amu chu puthoibani doingana school asi tongan ba co-curricular activities sida mawoina dance music then debating competition quiz competition example speech competition elocution poetry essay writing sing ba tongan ba competition singda state level amasung national level gi prize winner mayam amasu takna puthoibe school amani school si kamai to bajana school gi chhatra oja principal amasu school si lebe tongan facility mayam da explore to gi tanda lo min ase everyone let's explore TJ High Secondary School.
Sanatin Kopana Naimani Thoko Kopana Naimani Thoko Kolana Tamha Sanatin Kolana Tamha Sanatin Manipur Sana Naimayo Sana Kudna Singh Javadaiko Manipur Sana Naimayo Sama kudna sing jabalayko layram layle paraduna layram layle paraduna bharati khudok logana rajcharima kogi kuyanambal ko loina tamha sanatin ko loina tamha sanatin.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Miraj. Have a seat.
Madam, kung ito busy kasi siya, yung busy ba mali?
I say examination. We have form fill up. Tawri din ang 11 12 lagi council exams ki.
Okay.
Ado ngarang si late night today for extension. You order pangye. Date of form fill up sa extend taw ba.
Okay.
But as of yesterday, ako na kalak pa di nga si last date oy ni na. Yung da puthara da khara ma tawre arin bam yam do huzi am starting ni.
Okay, ma'am signature lo jang ba?
Yeah, I need.
Okay, ano punna student kaya?
Form amam da 2 signatures.
Okay. And all together?
All together, we have about 1,700 students na tra.
Okay.
So minimum of 2 signatures means I have to sign about 3,400 times.
Oh, okay, that's a good deal. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Ado, ako je, ano si Jorgi, Noel School, ako Michael Khangmin na special program dito magta TG si lakse na TG si also part of it, but Manipur da government school amo oiraga magi record me amo khak leiba je aduga hanagi mamangi record sing do tungana thangura kanda very recently across all stream science arts and commerce ahumakta position holder puthokpa ngamba amata ngai school amo oiba at the same time
government
school again aduga stream ahum jida amuka stream ani da topper je first position commerce ki jo amso arts ki jo ani mo puthokpa ngi je kamai to uno sin school ji kamai to bujana school ji kai facility le bujano satra na kamai to uno ozana kamai to uno principal na kamai to uno adu mayam di yeng sin lai ni me ado kai habi ni me.
Okay, we can start from the teachers and the students.
Okay.
They are the most important part of the school.
Okay.
I'm a very small part. I play a very small role. The collective effort it's not only the students or the teachers. Coordination, cooperation, government school ni halaga akoigi yamna kai haini angang singsina tarai na logo to de ko school sida admit ko matamda. They come from many private schools. We have students from LF, from Nirmala Bas, from Tiny Tots. But when they come here to TG, they become one family.
Okay.
Every time we have the TG family hadna aduna sigi akoigi atmosphere sida lari base they here for 2 years only. They'll be together for 2 years. The teachers are with the students for 2 years. Right from the first day, assembly PG gi magi past glory, past histories we tell them about the set of rules that we have. Strict rules, so we follow a certain set of rules so that the school can run smoothly. High rules ne amse makoi loina follow to godabani stick to godabani high matamda koi angang ni 11 12 have say they're all adolescents.
Yes.
And sometimes rules are broken. But for that also we have certain measures to check those girls who break the rules. Aduna madu matamda so koi parents ko khatli aduga labor atmosphere se koi school se yamna tongan ba kenogi wana chade bako. It's a normal school where normal classes are conducted every day. Classes there are no off classes as such. You can ask study like off classes for certain students because streams around 15 optional subjects. In a day we have only 8 periods, so we cannot accommodate all the 15 subjects in one day. So like some students will have some off periods, but then overall I go for rounds very often. Classroom sometimes but when they see me, sometimes I wake them up also. But post lunch, lunch classes it's the same for them also. Dedication you cannot I cannot compare the dedication. Like Sunday is the class that we have because syllabus are not covered and they want to hold special classes on Sundays. The exams they hold one-to-one sessions. They come on holidays beyond class hours. Discussion permission to grant and most times if possible I should only never beyond class hours preparation discussion even if it's a Sunday I come to school from the heart sincerity, dedication, hard work should come from the heart. Come from the heart.
Exactly.
Result government schools government government schools of course CC school government schools we are expecting good results, but we don't know because performances it may have some variations.
Yes, ma'am.
Ups like downs like
exactly, ma'am. Madam, school the handball lap or ma'am at the same time quite money and again madam the school inspired away and motivate away. I couldn't help can we take some time to explore school?
Yeah.
Secondary school vice principal Sir Boni. Sir, na school was already
present 12 ki June begin.
Almost 11 years.
Yeah.
11 years Sir, school was already
Angang singi thabak se sincerely phajana tawba angang singi phajana guide tawba masite hena pen beli.
Easy was already talk to sir sana phau gi mikup haidara ama khitang sana share to
TG the talk to gi mikup se aibu sum student advisor ohenba mayamgi angang singi school sigi thau thau kaya da sarbiya hanba in loina aije vice principal in charge ohenbana Pung Pana school sigi function mayam tawbung amanbase masi ay yam chok sa babu.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. School mathang da sport of joge madam ga sir you will be sir minutes sir.
Good morning, sit down.
Okay, this is Sadara nata is Manipuri subject ni aduga sina class 12 arts ki section C oidoi madam B section B ko section B madam I could gi TG is not just in academic performance. Academic performance, no doubt.
Yes.
Counseling exam.
The students also excel in co-curricular.
Exactly. I'm coming to that.
Yes.
So, co-curricular activities, ma'am. So, debate kumba kuch kumba yam power hai roba. See class
The 𝗚𝗚𝗥𝗟𝗦 we had a national winner last year.
Okay.
𝗚𝗚𝗥𝗟𝗦 national level the.
Yes. Who was that?
Monica. Now Monica se folk dance category the All India gi man first star rakhi.
Man first star ke duga student ani manipur
gi. Latino na classical music.
Classical music. Ada ikoi ngasi jo dum ikoi ki madam ikoi hada chaka do satra sing gi matang ni kan di.
Handa ki Red Cross ke tatori se moi makoi mari me Monica is there. Monica na dum folk dance category da dum represent awrani.
Manipur pumbagi
na angang girl students taruk lokhat pada akogi school lagi mari yorokpa. Adagi ani amana importance na dagi amana Maria Montessori dagi.
Maria Montessori dagi.
Mari je akogi dagi oiba.
Okay, adin madam dane. Sum si wari sana ina hangni je every single week I tell state level competition can be national competition can be student may participate of then position I'm low how do you feel?
I feel very proud.
Okay,
nothing more than that.
Okay, so do you have any special student here in this class?
I can point out Sanathoy.
Sanathoy, stand up. Sanathoy, look. Okay, let's meet Sanathoy. Sanathoy is the power is the high one.
Debating.
Debating the
and dance also.
And dance. Tapi di dance to what? Kayak dance to what? Ini kan dia.
Sir, classical juga folk itu dum sai.
Okay. Ada debate competition sih kamu jauh ke?
Sir, debate competition sih tara hina jauh je.
Tara hina jauh. Prize sih kamu kau pang lagi?
Sir, prize sih kan, ini jauh pada adum pang besar juga pang dah besar adum.
Pang berarti kamu jauh?
Sir, pang sih kau tarik.
Tarik nak pun berapa kau? Tarik sih position kamu kau jauh first or second third kamu kau.
Sir, first yaw sa second duga third duga fourth yaw sa dumaya.
Very recently khwaigi nakpa matam da kam badi yaw ki.
Sir, aina debate yaw ki se khoi Human Rights Commission ama sinbada adida is third position ta.
Okay. Tinang TG school la tamdringi mamang da leramba Sanathoi duga TG school la aba Sanathoi siga Sanathoi ani sida kai hongol.
Sir, aina TG sida tamdringi mamang da leramba punsi duga aina hojol TG da tamlak pasiga ai co-curricular activities da oro duga gi personality da yamna develop to duga tongan ba competition ka da su khoi school sina ko guide to biraga dumba competition mayam saru ya ba phangale engonda personality development yamna thina lakhanba aduga hana engna layamba da gi TG da tamlak pasne yamna engonda kanna ba musu
Nang kana TG da tamba to ba satra sing ju co-curricular activities ki motivation se dum lai bra moi myam su noi saru ya ba kamai to.
Sir, ayamana khoi TG da lai ba satra sing ayamana co-curricular activities sing da adum thawai yaw ba hadi adum malak pa matam da khoi plap chalaga yawminna ba adu dumaina tawe plap.
Okay, sang yam noi ko. Azam to ne je ko noi ba se sadara ko ko. Ai sadara ji manipur da ko jani one of the most popular teacher ni TG gi ado aina sadara da hanjening buje TG da oza oi bagi kwai ding nuai je buje. Okay.
TG da oza oi bagi kwai nuai je bade haidi satra sing sinane akoina tak pujida moina su yam tawai ang tak ba gi any moi gi khangda ba malai ba matam da koi gi just parents na ko moi gi any problem kuri mukse oza sing da toina tana ga dugi as a parents moina oza sing ga guide us moina yam how je buje u buje gi moment sa sigi moments no kwai ding nuai ne na hai don.
Okay. TG da oza oi ba matung da sagi punsi siga oi de gi mama ga ani sida kai hongole.
Adudi oi matung am hele nuai ba de gi tungan be experience angang makal kuding angang chenga kunina ne aku du makal kuding experience pangi ta.
Thank you so much.
Koini mafam taki bana tam baktani chindam dikhi mahai maro nangi lo buktagi harau tayamna china chongna sana ki na shai gonda nungsiba da changdam ningai lai taba ima gishuima arai ba mi hona mangre nai halak tu na yenjage arai ba mi kup su ipa ipuya pafam tungi charo surana lenjana fam maninda mai nana nai hura kataba natam bakshida nai saina tinjage nushibada changam ningai lei traba ima gishuma.
Exceptionally talented. Roya, I have one question for you. Nang TG wala ab matung dina. Nangi segi skill sida kari ahian bakana ba pang.
I kano oza suras ka sami dagi isay hena ay hana class 3 day na class 7 bokta isay graduation lesson bare ko aduga amuka hanna hena nauna khanghan ba aduga remind tawa kanda igi vocal do hena skill da hena develop tawba do my kind.
Okay, anu maji ko. Thank you so much. Mathang sa Priyanka do ne jage. Priyanka ta hangni je nangna TG school tam bagi ai nuai ba je kamai to.
I think school tam bagi khoi nuai ba je khoi nam nupi nam su ore ko aduga nupi gi hena nupi gi lam sida khoi tawba ngam ba je hena su khangak pa aduga khoi nam interaction dawna raga khoi sum wari badai tawduna akhang khang da ta thoda shin dawduna adum smaina laimina ba shana laimina yam nuai si
Yam nuai ba ko. Ado nang TG gi school gi oza sing se kamai tawi moi lai fazana takpra adagi oza sing ji yam thawai yaubra kai haning in da kan thawai yaudabra.
oza khoi oza sing je ko yam phajana dum takpi khoina khangdaba mahangbada sini na takpi ba like yam practical oina su takpi ba like se ko aduga dum angang se kai karom dagi kai da magi talent na kai da lai bano adagi akhoi da sini haibado yamna mota na akhoi khakna haina yam takpi ba se si yam nungai adagi khoina khangdaba mahangjaw bada makta hangjaw bada su yam phajana dum khoi je loi takpi ba
Government school gi oza sing se yam thawai yaude aduga matau da pung yam sangdi na blame mayam lai ko ado kai haning si matang TG oza sing si urakan.
Masije haidi jing yang ko amada jing maru mana jamang mana mang thue do dugo mane ba haidi koi government school da julai haba lai te haba dia ponte ba oza se ko ada mokoina school to lo khitang ngai ba oza su yaw da bane te ba adu lai besina loina mang thoga dai di like se takning do to ba amani sina hek da loina thok ba ari loi mang taw ni na ta ba yam phasana tak ba yam phasana nei jama man sagi ma thok khang na taw za ba oza le ba ko adu da ama ani ne hek ta mang thok ba sina ma am ne hek ta la na mi yeng se u ba gi mong na lak ba ko
Nang ne hana tam ko school mayam tam mani nang ko aduga TG da lakpa ani se ki khena ba se kamai TG da
hana tamak pa je ai koi ta tam jare ba aduga sida lak pa sina nupi ngakta oiraga hekta khoi gi yamna environment se khawon zu on ba aduga nungai ba zu dum nungai ba ma oi yamna.
Thank you so much Priyanka. Tanwai jare. Madam, TG gi oina angai sing se co-curricular activities ta yam phari ba je. TG gi ba kai initiative lai school na lokot pa tongan ba kai
one of the initiatives like 2021 da TG Blossom saiba club amaling hati
hoi
so mirasu we were one of the pioneers pioneer member of the member now we have many teachers enrolled under that club the civic club se kadogagi sen ki bano hai basu mamin ko di baso kita na kami na kibane na din sanga Blossom saro tapi mo ngam ta ko Blossom sai basta yam sa initiative on the low key in for exploring talents in the students for any debating competition or like quiz program or they could mentoring down about teachers yeah mama your okay he played a very important role also
thank you so much ozama mama yaw madam gi initiative ne maro na mami june da thon bini and TG Blossom saiba se lakpo matam de gi TG gi oina mama gi actually ma ma lai
yeah can explore of the angang ne am enroll to aga mo ne talent work ko
yes
it was one of the initiatives and khalle sigi handa ki achievements yam la even in the past 2-3 years for
yes ma'am masi the ma'am NSS I think
we have 3 units of NSS
okay
and NSS ki makhada su makoi different types of programs conduct we ko say awareness programs the counseling programs sina so dum angang miyam sida mo khoi ki character building up taw matam da the multi talents ithokpada mating pangda na khalle
aduga ma'am any club atopa sing ikoi school sigi na kai atopa dising le quiz club environmental club komba
yes we have a youth and eco club the mathematics club labor and under the youth and eco club we have started naming the plants. You can take pictures of name plates on the trees that we have around the campus adu akai initiative amane so that when people come to the school they say lang matam da pambi sing se kai laiba kai isamak su only a few are aware pambi kyam hoi maming kai ko we have the kai kyam angan de ugan de observe to de ko observation di pounds and what le angang so da ko le mo ko but name plate aman thela ga di hek uningi paningi ko u matam da paningi ni ba lekin di hangra ga di second time amu handan nan sumra ko da we know the name of the plant that's how we learn
okay that's a good thing ma'am C class se yam nuai do male ko okay C class se full of talent ne hai ko ma'am okay okay then the talent han tau ta re si se na ra class da so madam I think this tau ta re ko okay okay talent han hojik ekoi C class da tau je ko and first randomly any student nang ni ko
sir comment silica TG da admission to yam li hai ko TG da admission to je yam li na hai ni ko ma'am nai na ba then ekoi gi lambi ga je loi thingjam na ahing pung ama ani de ga ma'am ahing leng na form lo ba gi nang gi kamai to gi sir ai gi jo ko bana ko khang na bodi li pe ba adi ni to ai gi yam na pung ani bodi lete pung manga dai da na chalaga school ji min chana ba na admana ni pi ki ai da
admana pi ki ba nang TG gi admission je phangye na nang gi sit phang ba gi lautho ko je sigi ji nang ni ko to kai ka ko
yam harao hadi apaba ai aski ji na ko yam na phaba school ne aduna ai sitam phang ba ai gi yam na khudung jaba opportunity ma yam ma ai personality develop to ba ngam ba school ma da ai na tamba ma ha ba si yam harao ko thank you so much mathang mo dang ge na han school class ni mi to full uniform da ka ba ai school se full uniform da ka da ba ya da ba ya de ko adu nang han school ka ba ni ki TG gi uniform se la ga nang lambi da la ko da adu nang da kai phau gi yamna harau hai di ene si TG school ja angang ai kan ene 10 thadi kan di yamna pamjare ba duga han da school dress la ga se ka bu hong dam harau yam
harau yam nuai isai se madam hai ko madam principal hai ai di khang de nang isai se je ko adu isai jam sakta ya da first talent han ki talent choice sama se le re ming ge we
eko zaman chenbi
se ai ma se ko this is Lanchenbi okay Lanchenbi 50 100 satoi se nang 100 satoi je satoi ko khonsa chi matan da dang hayo manipur apun de ge na red cross na koi student taru khanda ka na TG de ge mari yaw ge ne and out of that you won natra satoi si kamai kai no hayo ne satoi matan
yamna ai sa ahanda na palam de chapse ai ang ho chatri ko adu ahanda chapani yam sun ngai duga yam mangda ai ko manipur mai po ka chatlaga di akoi manipur yoina ai na mai ga po la ko pa vi pa
give it a fall and send me ko yam ngai de nanche bi ge isai yam ta ze ko isai sim dang khalang ge ko madam isai me khan bi yo okay nang present to do ada perform to do song to adon sipai
puiri ai di sai shu pa wang shi ta na na pina tha de panuna sai zing na pai do na inu na ꯂꯝꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯍꯩꯌꯥ ꯂꯥꯡꯅ ꯁꯩꯊꯥꯅꯕ ꯀꯪꯂꯩ ꯄꯥꯈꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯅꯤ.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Nanselvi, and we are wishing you all the best. Ko. Nang susu na TG kita na tala Manipur pumbi mi chat ko kanya ni kana sata ko. Thank you so much, Nanselvi. Mathang sidi another side tem dulo ko ko. What's your name?
My name is Freddy Oinam.
Oinam ko. Oinam gina. Nang na TG da tam bagi ko nang gizo TG da tam phange kan hai ko ni ko na class 11 ni ko. 11 sida nang TG da tam phange hai bagi pause na kana na pi ni kup da nang kamai phau gi.
Saya tasingna school da laga ay sagi notice board hepdo ay samak ni yenge ay gido ay han bai gi yawe khan ban tam zai gi baba ga gi ning si ko ina thelam ne adu bang tam da yamna harau ba hawe ji tam ba phagan ni khan da
adu ni sin da da hoji shang mal
ang harau
nang na school uniform se la ka da yum da gi thola ka ni school da na lak pa sa si da lambi de ni ne gi yang kan da ai si ti ji satri ne kan harau phau
saya school dress pura kayaknya mayam sedagi tiji dress ni hena ko school ji hekta tiji ai heku bada tiji gi satra ni hekta khangen bada da adu maina ni kan
amazing. Okay, this is the pride we have ko tiji gi satri mo na sumai phau is masi gi pride chine ne bhai dine achievement mayam propaganda is thank you so much for the beautiful answer hamji ko ado haji talent so ho jine ko yam nuai ba wari sinata ma na question am ba nge nani ge go
no jam
manjita da hini je manjita nang tiji da lak suni mamangi nangi live suga nang tiji da la amatunga nang da hong bulak pasike ke hong bulak
experience am hankale sir haidi friend circle jo chak hankale ko
okay
ado communication skills me am ju hankale do imani me am ju punne phange am nungai.
Okay, imanabi me ampun phange thank you so much. Abi talent show ho je ko talent show se aha ba ji kai do jige isai ye ma ho we okay example speech to ko I'll give a topic. Okay, join us. Okay, chong okay yeah okay ma pa ni sa tro off ye sa tra yaw ge sang ka do okay chong ado I'll give one topic here ko one interesting topic am pige topic si sida ngang do sa tro thola ngang do ni ko if I were a teacher in TJ High Secondary School da ai ga ozama o ga di have a topic sida kana ngang ni yes okay come on yes
I gini commenting silika kanje TJ habise yamna phaba yamna haidi akogi manipur khatana tana ko malyamda satra mayamama aphaba putupanga ba school ngani masi ojagi thaldan kaya amaji mayamama laini ba sida koi oja singi yamna kathokpa satra singu machaduna nukshi baje sigi damata aina yamna harau phunduk chai amadi aina joi ai sigi TJ school sida ozama ibata agadi aina lei ba phami ba satra nahi singi damata yamna putil singna kathokpa lonena aina lagi takchagani amadi malem aphaba mahiroi ama oinama aidi pichuri da aphaba thabak kaya ama tawangamba nijat pulak bangamba adugamba satra kaya ama aina puthokpa ngangam hona jagani na hajai
amazing madam to ha
kumantum silika jisu ma ko garing du activist man yaw bani ma handak pangthok ki bai competition du prize winner wai givani sit down okay and then another question please join another topic ma mo ko aga ko topic sine kai ha ka da sidi yam chaw topic ni ko if I were the prime minister of India I mean India ki prime minister were gade okay there's one girl cha ma yo to ko ba ko ko
First of all, good morning everyone. I myself 𝗚𝗜𝗥𝗟𝗦 from Pure Science Section A, and the topic is a very interesting one. If I were the Prime Minister of India, first of all, Prime Minister amo oibo haise responsibility mayam ama para kadawibni aduga ai hanwa first thabak aina pakhatagadabe panjab tan hojik ek amendment mayam ama semen but sigi kana baje praja khuri makta phangabra si question ni arise adum tawe ai wakal da mata bungna makta aduduna amendment ek mayam ama haidi togada ko thabak mayam ama singdo palang thok ba haibududi irai rai ba thabak ni but adudo amendment oiba haidi praja khuri makta phangan ba haibudi aru ba thawa mani first of all aduda hana mai ungin jagan haidi laiba semiba mayam do praja jingda scheme mayam do kana wa phangna ba kana hona jagani and next to the haidi border da laiba amazing moi damakta kano afaba thabak hai dai na moi damakta fajana yengin bigani mon de akoi damakta akoi ngapi sen ni da bai damakta akoi damakta kathopna laiba moi damakta akoi na hona bi ba hai si thabak amadi manipur hai je india dagi so india gi north 7 sisters state ta khwai dagi mati magon laiba state amani sida sports ki power house ne haino ju khangnari aduga akoi gi manipur da laiba students inga mapalam da outside the chepa matam da manipuri gi flag india akoi gi flag si thepa matam da moi na question hangba moi na sigi mi flag lau thoga hindu gi flag the lo haiba ko masing ba question me amma mapalam da laiba ibung isijing da si mo problem je thine aduduna akoi gi state se karam makhagi state no haiba je fazana maso magun tang na hona gani aduga maso magun je akoi sports person jing ne ta le sigi mathakta hena chakhona ba education sector or any hiram khudi mak ta hoji chakhori dei hena chakhona ba hona gani
Okay. Matham de random the student pick up toge ko. Aduga no na sa talent le jare if any special talent to show no uning ga dino ready hoga le ko. And there is one girl here ko. I know what I'm having is my aim in life ko. Ay nate ko. Your aim in life. Okay. Ado nangi aim in life sida nangi ming hana hayo and then after that you can present.
So my name is 𝗚𝗜𝗥𝗟𝗦 and I am 16 years old right now. So let's begin from the very beginning. The seed of my aspiration was implanted within me by none other than my father, 𝗚𝗜𝗥𝗟𝗦 who was the former Chief Judicial Magistrate of Imphal West. And when I was born, when I was a kid, like 4 or 5, he wasn't a judge back then. He was a lawyer. And he aspired to be a judge. And seeing the sparkle in his eyes to aspire to be a judge, it inspired me to be one too. I started thinking how big of a thing is a judge that my father, who is a hero to me, is aspiring so greatly about it, you know. And then that was when I was a kid, 5, 6 years old. And then 2013, 2012, my dad passed MJS and MCS in the same year, correct that exam in the same, both exam in the same year, and he chose MJS. He resigned MCS. And people were pressuring me, why is he choosing that when he could have gone for MCS and earned a lot of money? And then I was a kid. I asked him, Dad, why would you choose MJS? Why don't you choose MCS? Let's be rich. I need that money and let's be rich. I told him. I was just a kid, you know, and yeah, I did that. And then my dad told me, come here, sit down. I sat down. And then I was like, answer me, you know. And then you know what he said? He said, in this world, there are a lot of people who are rich. And there are a lot of people who are wise. But this world lacks people who are ready to stand for the truth. And then he said, why not among the voices of the rich and the wise, why not be the voice of the truth? And then it took me like years to understand that statement. It was too complex for my 8-year-old mind, but now that I think about it, it is a fuel to me to aspire more to be a judge. One day, I wish to continue his life. He died like last year, I think. Yeah, last year. And he died without continuing his legacy to the extent he wanted to. And my dream at the moment is to continue his legacy. If not, and even better, I want to go further than his legacy. I want to be, if I can, I want to be more than what he aspired to be. Because to me, I don't want to be the voice of the rich or the voice of the wise. I want to be the voice of the truth, and that I would work for. And sometimes you just need to listen to the voice of the voiceless. The walls in courts, the four walls in courts are still echoing with the voice of the truth and suppressed. That I need to bring that out and share it to the world. Sometimes voice of the voiceless can be the loudest if you choose to listen. And I want to be the person who listens to them. Thank you.
God bless you. So we're so proud of you, okay? How do you feel when you have such a student?
I'm proud of you. I'm so proud of you. So very proud of you. I wish you all the best.
So,
Especially, I'm almost moved to your words.
and again, this is Sastina. Sastina is a school pride me, and again, I hope I'm sorry. Very recently, last 1 year, for the school days, I'm hungry. How's the competition? How give it harmony? The Manipur competition. Seven to taking part in a lot of competitions, and she has won a lot of competition also, and we are very proud of her. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, Sasana. So what do you want to say about TZ?
TZ school, there is a perception, wrong perception, that government school cannot be the best. That's so. TZ is the best. You know that when TZ is, taking 6th position in 1 year, 1st and 3rd for arts, that is a testimony of a government school emerging to be the best. And on top of that, I'm a student from Tiny Tot School. We have this ego going on that we are the best. But this school is the best when Tiny Tot School, choose to come here. I was out on the street waiting for the result because I aspired to be studying in this school, And then the moment the list came out, I started searching from downwards. I was like, where am I? And then I found my name in the serial number 7th, I think, and then I was like enlightened. I was delighted to find out that I finally got to study in a school. I have been working so hard to be. One thing I told myself every day is what you wish to be, what you aspire to be, what you wish you were in. You have to work for that. No one can stop you if you tell yourself every day that you are going to achieve that thing. Doesn't matter. If you're late, it's okay to be late. Work for it. Don't let others' perception, opinions move you, sway you, So there were people who said, come study in our school, you have a big percentage. Free seats. And I didn't get swayed by the money.
So after finding all those offers, and after you come to a school and having been here, for like 1 year, and now, what's your impression about it?
The thing is, I got to, expose my individuality, and this school has helped me save my talent, my inborn talents. The places I've been before didn't do that much, They did not recognize my individuality. They gave me notes, supplied me with all the syllabus, blah, 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 and told me to read like I was a machine. But here, I get to express myself. I get to work for myself on my own feet. I get to do it on my own. And that is the beauty of achieving something on your own without the help of someone else. That is what I'm doing here. So I appreciate this individuality, exposure. At the moment too, I'm getting an exposure. This I cherish a lot.
Thank you so much.
I give me my 10 people.
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯤꯖꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯇꯝꯃꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯖꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯐꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯁꯤꯄꯥꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯃꯦꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯁꯤꯄꯥꯜꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯤꯡꯆꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯦꯗꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ.
Okay, thank you so much. So I have two questions now. I have two very special questions to all of you. Noy TZ da laaba matung dine ko. Noy ambition mayam le ngare hana. Earlier you had a lot of ambition in your life. You want to become a doctor, engineer, mayam ko. IS officer mayam like le ngare. But TZ school ki oza mayam se uva degi oza oining sing ko dan thagalo. Okay ko. Sing mayam se oza oining mo dene ko. I question hai ke mama ko. And the raise your hand once again. Those okay. Those want to okay. Oza ini besar macam yang awal TZ lah pada why?
First of all, sir, TZ matang hana kita ngai jagi hai. TZ school jam hauji sasina do na jo phajana hai re government school jinda hauji me anak kuna bu matam da government oza lai phajana takte syllabus ko phajana taude si me am je bla 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 si me am je ayam matam da hai but aina TZ school do tama ka na moi me am duga do ayam matam da zum fight tawa noi na TZ oza government oza phai phate hai do TZ ta makan khangani man di TZ oza jing na akoi da mata so yani phar school do tamba du akoi ga oza jing a loina ba de पूरा फैमिली की टाइप चलो इन्हें हम क्लोज होने लोने फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कोई ना फर्स्ट टीजी यहाँ ना क्लास 11 का पो तब ना मैं प्रिंसिपल कोई को वेलकम टू द फैमिली ऑफ टीजी हाई वाही दो ना कोई दा फैमिली की टाइप होम लाइफ फिल्म में तो फंगी बा दो ना ओलाजी ना कोई दा नंसीबी बा कोई दा मत होना भी बा नंसीबी स्माइना आई ना कई गुम्बा टीजी स्कूल दा ओजा अमंग और पमा तंदो छात्र जिंग दा जो सी रिलेशन जी में मेंटेन तो होगा तुम दा मोई की फ्यूचर से भी बदा आई ना खा दा और जो मैं हूं ना कोई की मतें पांगी स्माइना मतें पांजबो पांजबो दा पांजबो की इहुल दो टीजी स्कूल की ओलाजी ना आई वांट टू बी
Okay, thank you so much. Naming ke okay. And nang TZ school da tamak pa sa. Nang apam na tangkira na te na parents nam dan tamalira. Apam bagi ko. Ada apam mas nang TZ school ki result khang mo nito. TZ school da ai phange admission phange khang mo nito na kai phaugi.
Yam haraugi.
Yam haraugi ya. Ado ge nongan da fi tu ho ba ka mo nito toi.
Nongan ba ka hore.
Nongan da hore ko. Okay, that means you're very happy coming here. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, what's your name?
Sir, Robita.
Robita. And yours?
Sir, Elena.
Elena da ai question am da hange ko. Elena nang na TZ da lak pa dagi na nang ngonda phangba ahen ba. Nang qualities kam ba qualities sing nang da hapsale nang khalli ado nang hena afaba mi mo oibada ko. Better human being mo oibada, better personality mo oibada TZ na nang da kai contribute to.
Sir, I think I'm very lucky to be here because coming to this TZ school, I think it's one of my best opportunity in my life. And apart from education, I think one very important that I've learned that I got from this school is my personality development, which is very, very important because just education personality se, and that thing, the most vital thing that I got from this school.
How does TZ help you in your personality development?
So before I would say I was a bit timid. I was scared. I have some lack of confidence, though I really want to explore myself. But after coming from here, I think I got to expose a lot about myself. I got to learn so many things about myself, and also each and every day, almost week kuding magta, we have programs to develop our personality. We have our like, I don't know, like so many opportunities given by the school, and I'm really grateful because now I have seen another Elena in this school.
Okay.
Another Elena. Yes, another Elena. Yes.
This is the Elena of TZ High Secondary School. Another Elena malay hai bani. TZ da lakot dagi do Elena da atopo question naman na. Elena is a good student, by the way. At the same time, maze essay competition, adagi debating competition, external speech competition, my this level da my achievement my puro khabi satri bani. Every TZ every class that we enter, we can get a pool of talent ko. Aduna loin ma explore ko dinga si adu opportunity phangoi, but we random class amani changa kan ikoi chatra khari interact tobani. And I have one question to you. Nang how would you introduce TG High Secondary School to your friends? TG secondary school no hang kan na nang kamay introduce to
Sir, I would like to first clear the myth that is happening in our society. Like, government school, say, like people used to think that they don't have much opportunity. It's just a last choice. Where the minor Khanna say, sir, I think it's a myth, and that myth can be cleared from this school. When you come to TZ, you will know what a government school is. Government school harga akhoi society da labor sigumba myth say only TZ can remove that. Because
amazing. Okay, thank you very much, Elena. Okay, so okay, I want to meet another student. So, nang ni kay ko?
Alfiana.
Alfiana, nang di kay ko?
Anjali.
Anjali ko. Alfiana nang TG da lakpa gi nang kwai nuai ba se kay?
Aina TG da lakpa de khwai de nungai ba se haidi student amaga teacher amaga laina ba relationship se amna cooperation pinaraga yamna haidi close oiba mawong amada laina ba adagi friend ama thenaraga so akoina haidi yamna khangna bai mawong da khangna da boraga so haidi close oina loina ba ada thamoi chawba se akoi yam thengai akoi dum free adum class gi oina adum akoi pulap khangna da ba do tawna de pulap loina ba do adu ma tawne.
Amazing. Give it up for Alumni ko. Ningi okay.
Vidyalakshmi.
Vidyalakshmi si yung guide kino?
Tinunggay Moyangong din sa.
Moyang din ni. Nang lakpa di kamay lai.
Ay hostel lai.
Hostel lai ko. Ado hostel jin nungai ba kamay to ge?
Sa nungai.
Nungai ba ko. Ado nang TG da tam ki ba sa nang ya pa man tam gribra na trigana parents ki pressure kang gribra.
Har TG tam ba ai ju pa me duga parents kai na ju tam hani ba ko ewan.
Tam hani ko ba ko. Ado nang TG da tam dri mamang da le ba nang ji ko TG da la ma tung da kai kai hong bulai.
Sar ahong bodi mayam da do akoi masen oja kai ju
hayo kis kai
corporate tar ka wangang na bakhan de like ta pam tam ju ko masen gyan tan da ka dum.
Okay, thank you so much. Adudi somdagi amma satram da pick up to ge ko. Nang ning kai ko we?
Kefina.
Huh? Kefina, where you from?
I'm from Torbong.
Torbong dagi ne ba? Ade Kefina je handaki koi Manipur thoi ba conflict na maram ore kanda effect over tawe ko ado yung kai husi kamai tawe
May cha
kre ko ba husi lai bi gadai tele
ai sila kanan hoi kana baso ma yim da dai
ba chou mi yum dele ko ado yum dele lai se hazum school lai ko ado nang na koi handaki TG da tamak pudana nang na hana TG je nang ta ba zo TG ja public school ne taram badi ai ko. But after coming to TG school, nang TG da changa matung gadi kari nang na ubada nang na am pamjaba area se karam boy.
Oja sing ga phajana interact tawre do go like phajana tai government school ne hai bagi private ka sum compare tawda ka su chang ta de adumai sum atopa sum activity me am su school tawba du nungai yamna.
Okay. Adugo nang na pulsi ki pandam je kai oige na khange.
Ai air hostess
oige khale ba ko. Nang air hostess oige na khanba nang gi ambition si da TG ne kamai contribute tawe na khale nang.
Moi sida ke kano career gi dum counseling lak pagum matam adugum da yam akhoi da kana bayam
phange ba. Thank you so much. Ko wishing you all the best. Madam sigi sina ekoi computer eco club.
Yes.
Sida lei
garden nama lei ekoi yamna kui na di handak NSS ki moi gi residential camp ma tawdori madreda it will be all cleaned up. And this was initiated by Sir Jugendro, who is a student advisor also of our school. Aduga Madam Sangita, Principal Madam Sangita and Oringa Matamda.
Madam sigi garden se chhatra sing kana purapa laying kan sem
money all the
students kan purapa
money students ka the teachers raga I contributed a palm tree there.
Okay. Meduga sida lay library odini ko.
Sida library complex.
Okay, library student in kya mo kadi lay.
So it's the whoever has off period like sindo adum sida laaga changaga ngahang paja ko and we have a collection of more than 3,000 books.
3,000 books.
My different streams like I'm say ari bisu yaw no bisu yaw ko.
Okay.
My reference ki karigi yaw ganina changaga dum off campus minus amaga.
Okay. Book collection more than 3,000 lay aduga ko students sing sina shida off time sing the moi like pabagi kudong chaba sida lay ado hujik sida winter ni na library da changbagi mahuta mapanda desk thangtho kan da pa bagi
mani ma
amakha lay and then ben mang da lay sing sina kai wedena
sina kai biology
biology ado mem u sing ja sida loi maming thai ji kamai to bono
thai na haji ki bodo kai gi youth and eco club haibam lay nodal teacher na madam lim thoi ngambi of biology department ado ma ga angang sing members ori bam yam duga they took up this project of naming all the trees pambi salary is doll house haraga ko scientific name family adagi ketli bangang di maming ne so that when they come to school after they pass out it will be a nice thing to remember.
Interesting way ma'am ado si mang da lay sina biology laboratory so what is special about this biology lab?
It's a laboratory where you have all the equipments required for the class 11 and 12 experiments and we do all the experiments which are prescribed by the Council of Higher Secondary Education.
Madam, sida ki ayam matam da class 11 12 ki lab se maming de ki oina thamaka isi sin da bagi wafam mama pan nei ko ayam school da ado lab se ki de kamai na school ji ki oina di biology lab se dum phasana sin na
all the specimens related ko specimen I know the E-level specimens more than 30-40 years old specimens related to the core.
Okay.
The equipments me am so the practicals low grabani na low manung da thamsan hai ku manung da.
Okay.
The almirahs they use all the equipments there.
Okay.
The basin, wash basin, proper water supply.
Okay.
Ade ai na sa hai ki ba biosafety lab ko. Adu sida lei list ki makada. 2014 le establish to ki bane. And these are all the equipments that was installed. Matam kita long tiba equipments le hum dile ba. Spectrophotometer le, ada gidi koi se oven, hot air oven, laminar airflow, lo ini le ba ko. And biosafety lab ma establish to le ba se koi na subject opening le tabi na season na na le ba ta.
Koi mem to na jage, mem ki min ke ko. Madam ji madam kam komba biology ki kam komba zoology da pa bot ni tam mem aku ki lab se aku ki TG ki na le ba biology ki lab se phasana season na bra
Oh, I passed student of TG.
She was my student.
Okay, TG passed student. And then how do you feel, you know, when you were a student before and after coming to TG as a teacher, how do you feel?
Yamna kono tarame. Haidi apoina legai matamdudadi labse mathakta oirameba aji phadana leirame adudai ma'am na phadana ne akhoi takpi rei 2004 da ne khona pass out tare je
ma'am is again biology teacher
aduna ai gidi yam lai ba kho bai tare ai takpi pa ai oja ma ki makha na mu ka ai na mu ka work tau zo phang mu je haidi yamna kare hai ni amoi na ai career amoi na learning process ne hojik adum
Minor students, students, my ama mozi was out in la TG da. Gloria of home science, and the Rina chemistry gi, the Lakshmi lay ko. And I have to Purani bla. She was my first batch of students here.
Okay. Kami ko. Ado madam sida lab se kamai na angang like ta pa lab se phasana season na bra. Ada angang sino su yam pam bra.
Pam.
Okay. Thank you so much. Sir.
Practical si adum session awubudagi
ado hairo se atum de se sar haila mamang de
school sigi di practical se session ne awubudagi practical gi routine khaido ga adum makoi si bombo pung phana na ba practical yam phajina adum chathai
okay practical se
physics chemistry bio home science sigi ko practical je koi na period ani theory practical to buka lo na theory class to buka lo na practical class adum chathai
theory the period importance ga chama na ba chang da practical su pi have ne okay yam noi je aduga madam som jina kai weden the physics ka chemistry ga ani gi le poi doi ni ko adu mem si gi koila je nau na thaba male ba adu si koila ji gi wari ji ne kamai tau
Ela se koi gi handa May 3rd ta gi thoki ba thong dok gi lai ba ki ba thong do ai crisis sama koi gi state ta koi na face ta gi se ko sigi control tong na ba hai na central security forces meam state na require tau ki na utilization tau ki ba du makhoi meam se sida lehen ki ba hai tare around 7-8 companies starting from May 5th or 6th adu le ba matam de da ho ya koi gi damak ta laki ba ne makhoi su ko security reasons aduna koi su home department gi order ma thole ma koi je sida accommodate to gada bani haidana laigre classes su cancel tawkhrabanina and they occupied the school for about 3 months adha laigiba matam du dai du da khoi gi laigriba school gi hanagi lairamba structures sing do khara akai toi khara dit lairamme ko adha moina so dum yamna chalam dai da mengkhat pangam na badi honaramme but marakta companies change to wadum yaw ki ba makhoi se company ama lerama mu chakhiba aduna chalam dai da leramba company du na makhoi na so yamna di sing lo piramme but maintenance ki lakhiba gari heavy vehicles myam do water tankers adagi di makhoi gi armored cars chingba myam do thangdok thojin to matam da rainy season jo gi ba adagi di heavy oi na lambi ri phibam sat mati phalam da ba haitare khona school karak matam da ko adagi khoi lambi se siam na ba se adum approach to ki ba department su government su ko to matam da khoi sembi ni di haraki bane but classes the August 10 tagi hogidaba yadre dana khoise hona bagi order thokhrabani na ko aduna kai tawge habada
I have one question here. See that I upambi ja. Campus city Imphal manungi heart of the Imphal the label. Campus city ya chao campus amadi native. Adu but we have trees everywhere. See me kari you know.
These are all because of tree plantation programs that we have. Akoi gi sagi NSS ki unit ahundo makoi gi tree plantation programs that regularly chathai every year. Not only in the campus, outside the campus akoi keno da cherau chung da chatli ko. In other parts of the state like a tree plantation programs I see some yaw cherau chung da admaina dum pangthok pane dune every year dasu dum handaki moigi residential camp to doris dasu tree plantation program ama dum soidana hapakani
okay
and that is one reason
yam mapan gi abhiyan hai dai manipur miyam na hangi question se manipur go in a government schools ji gi for government school ma'am lai no we phate have the but government schools sing gi sidarak pa hai batai adu private school ma'am fagalak gi stage ama de ne hojik lai sigi matam sida kamaina tg na perform to wangami no hai question sine tg na perform to is not just average level na taba council gi all manipur gi na competition to matam the first position ani in 1 year da puthorok pa adu across all stream da position holder na puthorok pa si kamaina ngami no si ma'am how do you explain
aina sa hai gi bodo the collective effort of all the staff students adagi ai su ai nangam level da dum hona jai ko maza singa we orientation programs pangthok kana because most of the teachers yamna new recruits yauri ba khoida aduna question design hong khre council na ko ana sugumba myam se to keep in touch sugumba update to na bagi koi we hold orientation programs asking resource persons from different higher departments to come and we instruct teachers and orientation programs pangthok pa dagi angang singi test ka tawraga koina result ki basis ta makoi da counseling ta wibado so for example from tomorrow we are starting okay haying dagi parents la ani moi report card discussion tawrani class teachers ka aduga angang sigi my weak areas na kalai da lei karamba areas karamba subjects my improvement darka leina haina chingba sugma se point out khani parents ta thereafter the academic committee maslo khoi ko sigi academic committees na tawdoris na mu we are going to analyze which students need more effort in the next 2 months ko by khama mangsida madu identify tawraga koi will put in extra effort in the coming 2 months
okay adu mem hojik se after covid matung da lakpa anu go orders na class matam se suna phangdaba ade syllabus lotion ngam da bagi problem ma'am amma mai meri ba adu hojik manipur gi le irang sina matam sang na ikoi school ka udrabani adu sida sigi marak sida ne school ke achievement ma'am amma le adu no kamaina manage to biri no ngasagi atin ma matam amma school days khara sida syllabus kamaina cover to we at the same time magi period le ri den masing se
we have 8 periods in a day
okay
period nipan se koi gi optional subjects angang amana tami se taruk compulsory subjects ani amane optionals mari amane we actually require only 6 periods adu bo koi the 8 periods leba those 2 periods are extra classes where we accommodate the different optionals accordingly ko aduna sigi hariba extra class ani happy bas na su yam mateng oi bana khalleba period na khatan bi sang school timing se mayam bagi ko makeup to na
extra class ani happy
every day adu mathak ta hoje na haji ki bidong sai chu sai ki ko Sundays the special class to was yauri holidays to yauri aduna adagi hujikti net yara banina we have WhatsApp group for each and every section maintained by the class teachers adasida su mogi subject teachers ne amsi add tawraga mogi topics moina ta hawdaba kholawdaba sotha reng khanba notes keeping ba loina software na thagal le hoji pdf na so students have access to more information ko
okay मैम स्कूल की तोान मसक उजबसे स्कूल से गवर्नमेंट स्कूल है मिडल क्लास लोअर मिडल क्लास एंड देन पैसा पाइब इमुंग मैम को तोान एक्सपीरियंस मैडम
कमाई PG से तक कोई ना सहाय की बतो we have an highest enrollment term going government school da ko
साथ में क्या है इसमें
1600 plus students te ko de lai se because yeah total da chat khiba me yama ma yaw re handak chahi se because of the crisis ko aduga anoi balak su yawi internally displaced students akoi 176 enrolled tawe both 12 and 11 combined ta ko aduga sai gi aina haje ki bodo this 1000 around 700 students se each of them are individually different Magi family background or economical background or never can aduna in my room zamara suram gani yes I have many students coming to me every time they come with their problems ado I resolve to ngam ba yawi ngam da bas yawi sometimes I even go to their places ngam da hochat pa yaw he ko ado ay haje ki bado ngasai gi angang sigi yamna diverse over environment amane ba kudo lai bas
मैडम की ओपिनियन है but I have seen a lot of things not just me सारजु याम उबिरमनी and सारजु याम मतें कांबी अखोई टीजी दा लेबा छात्र सिंह से local aya छात्र मयाम मा यावबा अदुगा then family से single parent कुंबा लेबा खोटबा या orphan लेबा मयाम यावे दो मोय मयाम की एबन accessible लेबा मैडम अखोनी याम ngachari se principal मैम दा अंगा अमन चंगसिला कांदा मागी अनिबा पामदो लोina हाइबा ngamba watpado हाइबा ngambado ko
self accessible agudi adum aina hai ko adum assembly to have if you have any problems discussing by any family gi oiro nang personal problems oiro adum hairo habida ai ngarang tada I pass student ama dagi phone call ama lai she wanted to talk to me very badly adu I said ngi da mawari sa hodra ba adagi di ko na mu taro ke haraga se to ngam ki da bai ngasi jam ngai tana lai ne ba because yesterday na hagi bodo form fill up last date singarang se kuna last date oini haibagi loina rush up to bagi ko aduna you know keeping in touch with your students aduga koi PG ki family nan hanjan na haje bodo when we stay like a family ai chang atani ai gi kan angang atani khallaga koina angang si loina matam da oja sina su adigi anybody in the school ko adum athawa school amor kan is in hazaiba because accessibility is very important accessibility of teachers by the students apoi ki base fear se dispel to angang dagi apoi ki ki na to roga ke no me hai ke to bode hai no mind to no an chai thaki base to no na ina haije bodo am to ina so haije bone they same but oi da mi ka hai base hai no haidana because we are here to mold them apoi no lady se moi adugi same to oi khali bodo dispel to no bai da makta ne ba whoever comes to school makoi si la iba phibam dagi he na phagat laga chachi bodu ne ba khona pami di ko second divisioner amana say sida admission phangma tamda if she gets a 60% then pass out as a first divisioner ado kai achievement amane ba rank holders na ta puthokani haida one ta ba ko ngasagi pass percentage hanagi le
there is an improvement
if any improvement is there ado kai achievement achobane na dum laujai ba ko
मैम हाजे अदुग मेंबर हंगिंग अतोप क्वेश्चन amana academically angang sina council exam da yam phajana perform to buje simadi no doubt atopa parents me amna joga
efforts yorom gani collective effort
yeah it's a collective effort aduga parents me amna aduga manipur me amna yingi bade aduga angle du ne but at the same time akoi co-curricular activities me amada state level national level na participation me amna rise achievement me among puri je kamaina academically affect to the bra angang sing jina co-curricular activities to ka da kamaina sigi activity me am to na so angang sing hairi ba me ko si kamaina ani jin punjal ka da manage to
sigi balance se kuna porok pa se kamaina porok ha bidra ma khoi si chalum da bisu yadi masagi apam ba haitare co-curricular activities extracurricular activities isai saning ba jagoi saning ba myam se koina competition ma yawu ge hai matam da thimu ba ya ba nati ba we need to garner their interest also aduna koina ka doge ha ba noi chatlu adu orga su asai nang lose to ba classes kai gradu di through class note khangde adagi nang oja sing du khangde discuss to ga makeup tong na bo no oja sing su dum hai aina huji angang chatoi ba myam se ma khoi paikha sigi yengaga di chalhindra ba because pre council is coming up on the 3rd adubu angai phodana state represent tawra chatori bunna chakhrabani na makhoi gi form fill up se hana priority basis ta tawbo hairi ne ba adagi di any requirements makhoi gi adala ringai da through whatsapp kai khangde lena ba add to biraga makhoi se updated oina thamna na bagi ko huji ko bo huji situations da boba adagi adu matra ga su nasagi nangi sigi balance di it has always been maintained angang sing se sumana co-curricular extracurricular activities thawai yaw pa sinse like sum thawai yawi mo khoise ko and their personal interest as well as the efforts of the teachers that plays a role I think.
Okay, ma'am yam nungai ko. Aduga agang se ki debate, quiz, example speech, elocution, poetry, music, dance. Si ma'am se ma'am. Sigi co-curricular activities ne hara kan da lay the activity ma'am sigi any students je masing shuna lay bra me kamai.
Lay adugi di. We are very proud of that.
Okay.
Any kano ama competition ama gi angang ani dang khalo hai matam da we have so many entrants. Applicants aduki matik yam dana adum screening to was a konga yamane bako. So because we cannot select all of them, represent the only two or three students for school book. Aduga follow kon angang ni yang ki follow ko.
Any competition ama state level competition ama la kan da ko school je degi representative thana bo na kan da ko yam chaw problem lay maram di debate ke ha ga jo satra mayam thok pa essay ge ha jo satra mayam thok pa to moi yam this screening amuk to ba and then moi yam the orientation amuk to ba training amuk pi ba je ko dum to we at the same time senior students in amuk junior students in amuk train to ba chana bi am se school je de lay aduga yam nuai sine ko madam principal na any competition am chatpa matam da moi ge expenditure je madam na wear to we aduga chatpa matam da ko school je de van ama teacher in charge sama yawgani aduga man responsibility puno mak logani ko I hardly see such things from other school ko tawdi yawi but ko gi routine oina every single competition da tawbase me simi am nuai adu oja sing unaje ko ada ko sida ko sayani le am to unaje Sir Kunjo and Sir Luhen adu ko Sir Kunjo je yamna masak nai ba figure makak ni adu mayamna Sir Kunjo je kanano de ai han haijege ko adu am interesting oi gani asi sak tak cha oi ge mayam da oja Kunjo na enti je do oja oi dringi mamang da aina khalame ba ima hai ba lila party gi producer at the same time lila am lila faw mu makai je ko Sir Kunjo ni evening ado ai oja Kunjo na lila gi actor mayam sina TV interview the wari sa kan oja Kunjo yam anu yam dong male ba ko ado yam handsome and dashing oi ba ko na ha oi bo jam oi yam ne sida la kan khang mane ba ado sir TG do oja oi se kyam sure
2013 da dere madam Galuyan around 13 da dere mala
so it has been 10 years ado sana tapi o subject na
English
ne sa ko sa TG do oja oi bagi nungai ba je oja di hana su yam tu oi amani khale do TG do oja oi bagi nungai ba je sa kamai express to
TG do za bai nungai ba je satra mahiroi myam thina ba je masima yam nungai re mahiroi sing ju adum afaba akogi ai tare mafam kuding de ya afaba sing ja TG de tamme adagi oja sing ja dedicated oiba adagi taibo yam phaba na ko TG de lairam ba leibiram ba hosul leiba principal sing ja akogi fasana guide to biba ngamba aduga yamna akogi maruina angang ka bai sem ji ge ha ji da ba akogi mathwai je lupsa bo ja sing to oiba aduna TG de yam team work ne yam noi ja mafam je location jam sa ba ji su akogi manipur gi mi yam gi punbam oiba adagi TG gi legacy mu le jara me masagi sigi legacy ji ma mang da na ba oza principal na koida senior bigani oza me amjne collectively hotna bigani masini koida faida noi jare oza oi bagi oza amu oi bagi akoi profession ji da akoi ju phajana thabuk pang tok ngam baza atai te sum torami atai da thabuk phajana toram de habete adu sidai di situation na circumstance na koida compel tawre adu akoi head na hot ani ba mazu phawi TG de le kan da
sa angang sing wai sana matam do moina TG je noi da khwai impressed oi je kari no na moina hangkan da moina haiba je oza se the way ozana moida kamai treat to ba ozana kamai like tak pa adu ne aduga yam interesting oi ba mana after coming to TG school angang sing jina moi gi different ambition me am le raga so there are many students who come up with the ambition to become a teacher oza oi ning ba je ko gi TG gi oza sing ju u ka da sa kamai feel to bi
asi dam chau thok sa ningai ne da ai di tamai ai di thawai nai ju angang sing da hai ba di yaw ba ne maram di ko na tambiri ba angang sing ja kari oi ning hai kan da akhoi ki profession ji nataba atopa profession amu oi ning hai ba de adu ta wa kan da akhoi ki profession ji di amna cham leitaba amna ka hai tare angang sing na kari ba ta interest leitaba fil la madam khan ba je masa ko di thoi na ngang da hai na matam da lai sa na matam da akhoi ki profession ji gi singli si function sai tare adu akhoi ni profession ji na society de pi contribution ji hai ra kan da angang khara me di oza oi jage have jaw re masi ta u da yamna nungai ba phause hai di kogi oza oi bagi simple ja kana so respect with the neighbor akoi mesel gi marat so dum nuai ja dam yawa ba akoi oza oi ru bari na pasa pai de ko ga but still akoida tawriba thabak society se build tawrini in haibase ai da ngang da tum haijabani angang za leibak amagi min hairaba quote ni ko the destiny of a nation is set in the classroom na adun angang jing na nation building da ngang sa noi saru yamina je kon hai ka da angang jing je madi khudung iningba thajabingba ha yaningba ngang jing jawram do yam ngai je.
Okay, so one final question, sir ji, public figure mani manipur gi mi myam na khangnaba, at the same time sir gi production ma kai je sir gi evali laga je manipur white oina yamna most popular oiba ngatu oiba ayamana ada sir gi civic song the other side of culture and art che siga sir gi profession as a teacher ani sida sana tiji da kamai contribute to bi
aina lila ibaze mamang da han ini wakal leirami khaji khaji irami adu ai sanari nga bali lazam ti tiji di kan iki bane tiji gi leiramo zazi jiga han ba thengna tamida wa ngang badagi na adagi di mathau tawagi mayong dagi na kai dagi na nganda kenom phaugi adu ai aina lila iba matamda adaga lila gi thabak chap matamda aduna aigi profession da aigi ithauda yasan badi oide amaramda aina angang myam thengnarakpa oza myam loina baje masina aigi ibada hena adugi macha ama phangye na aina lojai.
Thank you so much, sir. Mathang jai sir loina mong lang sake sir sir tiji gi oza amu oina kwai nuai jabse kari na
seng haragadi koi ising yamna leiba mafam da nga yamna leining haibadune koi oza amu oirobagi profession da satra yamna leiba mafam da oza oibena koi satra takning manina adugi mafam do panjai haitare aduga tiji da leijabagi su nuai ba mana satra singna chona leibanina koi gi isagi oiba classroom da classroom situation da koi concentration tonga adum lai angang singi mokoji attention piba adigi mokoji interaction da koi su preparation every day tok da yate aduna angang apabana hena masing yamna leibanina koi da su yamna chokchningai oiba yam nungai bo oi aduga location gi su yamna pare angang arapa periphery area dagi su mafum kya dagi su loi su na leibanina koi da su yam nungai ba ma pawi hai tare.
Okay, sir yam nuai je aduga sir na ne tiji gi angang jing gi like takpo matam da yam tough oibra aduga takpa da yam nuai na takpa aduga satra sing je attendance kumbadi kamai tawis
almost yamna nungai makogi cooperation akoina sukhangi lari takpada makogi akoina taibasi makoina karinta haidraga su makogi facial expression da makogi response da akoina tachari basi makoina fajana gyan tana loksan ngami haibasi akoina phawi.
Okay, yam noise sir ko TG school gi amaro ibo jane ke sir se ada sir da hangjading je TG gi consecutive exams ma mama council loba high secondary examination sing da koi tana dum position puthok pa je aduga last year gi oina commerce ki jo first position arts ki jo first position aduga across all three stream ahumak da position no yaw ko je sig exam haido ko numi cha sa kai fil
yamna chokthop pam su nungai ba phawi hai tare ma sigi tang se aduna koi school gi train mo ina government school singi manungda hojik phauda lepna kano position puthori ba hair ga koi gi school sina ma atai jo puthokta budi na te dum puthoi adubu koi gi sina masing yamna puthoi ha bisima adugi mathakta subject topper si koi school gi chhatri singa maruina arts amsung commerce yam phajana kano tawi aduga koi gi kitang kano ga atopa private school ga koi ga khenari bisa koi na science and haragadi practical si yamna emphasis pigadamne ado akoi gi school sida di science da science stream ji practical ji yam phajana kano ti emphasis pi aduga to singa yengnaruraga di moi su pirangani adubu aina sum khanjabada akoi school dagi hogiba science ki stream gi chhatra sing ji di hayeng magi mana pamba science gi line da sakhiba matamda yam phajana kan mong marin daba science student edo asingba hebdu ogadai
akoi da practical se yaw do sunga ya de sir
science and science without practical in have science and have subject ji practical oibagi science hari ne akoigi akoina tammi ba natural science sing ko adu practical phajana tawdrabadi samona tammi ba do only magi theory knowledge do na di mapung phaba do oide adu science and have the practical siam na maru oi adu akoigi science ki mamangi sahida akoigi chhatra dagi position ani yaugiba aduga mamang da su kaya kaya amdi yaugre adugu recent kano haraga di mamang mapda ani yaugibse yam chingthani ngai ne haijage.
Okay, yam nuai je sir, thank you so much. Mize madam ani mak lai hauji se question madam ani mak ta hange ai TG gi matang je council exam da position lobagi nuai ba dumde khoi loina makta leire adubu every time haitare ekigi khabar hangdok pada na jogana tv yang kanda tg gi satri me amana depending competition da the next temper da quiz da hanok quiz first tari ko national level gi quiz mai koi satri singna first tari and then state level gi competition me am sida koi satri singna mai pa ko achievement me am lobagi pause tv gum ba yeng la yok pa na jogana khabar gu ba pan yok pa se sigi sida kai feel to bige
sida yam thina nungai ba ma feel to we ko and first thing akoi gi satri sing se yamna makoi na yamna participate to bada thawai yaw to se ko amda moina thulai sing do masagi manungi yawing da ma yawe ba then in that plus nasagi akoi school da lai ba oza sing na su ko initiative lo bi ba oza sing na su yam phajana support to bi hai tare ko support to bi then akoi gi principal adugumba da angangi potential se show tong na ba na ba ko sidai se yamna mateng phang bi principal na.
Okay ma'am, thank you so much. I think the senior teacher ni ma'am, I think TG how TG is able to make a difference among all other school hai kan da ko chatra sing hai je my opinion da it is a teacher hai ba ko ada ko na khang ni is na we new teachers ko ai ko na amo ai ko da motivate to is na ko senior teachers ma'am je fin u ga ne ba the kind of dedication that they have for the students aduga moi da leiba angang like takung bagi na tragan schooling gan la ka na theng na han bagi moi dedication ma'am u ka da ko hena to ni ya pa ma su ko ba ma'am ko madam what's your motivation as a teacher in teaching
khoi gi dinia khoi gi tg gi school se ko haurak padagi akhoi na tg ji oirak padagi so akhoi na khoi gi senior sing dagi ko adum akhoi na moi dagi tamjani ya yam mai re ba angang sing ji apatana loya bi ba moi na ko adagi di hanga sagi school gi campus sing ji angang sing ji ari amada chai dina khotra lei ba ko ko se moi na tawran bagi matung ina akhoi na moi gi batok tamane traditional le ba ko moi gi batok tamane ba aduna oza sing gi tg gi oza sing di ai gi mo ta di ko moi se oina matik sa bo oza ne haina haini senior oiraga su junior oiraga su yam phajana moi gi Sata singa mo gi loyari bagi kaino se mase yamna tamjani ngai oyeba simangna suni akoi handa kausing gi kaino ka prize ke am da pene award ke am phangi se adugi mathakta mo gi tg gi principal se yamna ma akoi gi junior ni ko ma se akoi gi junior ni aduga ma se mango da gi sam tamjani ngai le school sima
roi da madam principal gi akoi tamjaba ya ba se kai
akoi ni tamjaba ya ba se yam lai gre madam da gi koi ni tamjaba ya ba se ma masa so koi gi makha ni junior ni ko ado mani school sigi phana ba chakna ba angang sing sigi akhoi gi kari da sogi ga dagi habi gi ne ko matik ma gi mi yeng se yamna sana su ye ga dugum na ba angang su ko ba yamna su mo da tamjini ngai oi ba school sigi dong tamana ka thoi bu ne yam se masi yam tamjini ngai oi na tamje
madam na ga school lak pa adu school han gi ba tg gi za mo ne kai phobi bege la kan da kai phaw la ro khal da adu han gi ba kan da kai phaw han ji
la kan da khoi gi angang sing se school ke pa se sang ko da angang sing sigi lei gi ba mogi kai hani mogi asoi bu yam se ko semto ke habadi ko offer na ta ba matam da mo ko chai se ta to khoda re bu matam se ko sugum ba se ko sempo aga masagi mo na no la abadi kari ba khara tam do ya de kari ba khara kham do ya de ha se mase ko mo da pi no le se ko habadi samti lesson lama la aga ngasi no mogi la aga lesson lama ka khanga ga hani ba se masi akhoi na kanai ne su khangi aduga halai tena so akhoi na moi da dugum bagi kaino sama dum ti.
Okay, thank you so much ma'am. Pasage sir je school gi na one of the most senior teacher ni aduga ekoi yamna look up to jaba madam supada ekoi sir na pi dedication school ji da yam thawai yong school ji dam to hona bi ba ada ekoi hoi ba oza sing na sagi matau tamjaning bagi adugi apambo okalon yam am po esa ada angang sing sa interact to mo tam angang sing na mogi school ji how school ji na kamai difference ama create to bang mino manipur khunai da ha ba je oza sing ha ba sa ko adu sir kamai feel to bis
masi tg school gi na han da gi hona ko gi tanabi ma lei bai tare ko mas tanabi se masi banama oza sing lak pano ba sing sing banama tim bai tai maro na tg gi di class e am ta miss to na bo honai oza principal oza dp lei bo oza sing nyam sen banama kul la kanda class e dum phajin tong na bo hona ba adu class e am tang ban mang da rum tai class am tam da yari ki tong na bo honai adu na sai gi mamang da matam kam yuk matang yawe ko mamang da adu so yan handa school hang ba se tg ne do oi mamang da tha hu mari am sei banga to mang da na wai block to ng leib do sum class e phegi hang da sida kamai to sige ka je director sinu so la ga tg da tana da to ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯃꯥꯡꯖꯤꯟ ꯊꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ
ꯆꯍꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯃꯨꯛ ꯁꯨꯔꯦ ꯇꯤꯖꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ
ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯀꯨꯏꯔꯦ 2020ꯗꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ 19 ꯁꯨꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯏ
2002ꯗꯒꯤ
2000ꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ
2000ꯗꯒꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯆꯍꯤ 19 ꯁꯨꯔꯦ ꯁꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯖꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯒꯦꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯦꯠ ꯗ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯖꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯑꯞ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯗꯥꯎꯟꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯤꯖꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯖꯔꯅꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯅꯣ ꯁꯥꯔ
ꯇꯤꯖꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯔꯝꯃꯤ 2000ꯗꯒꯤꯅ 2010 ꯐꯥꯎꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁ ꯑꯥꯔꯠꯁ ꯀꯃꯔꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯣꯄꯔꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯇꯣꯄꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯇꯤꯖꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯊꯔꯨꯔꯦ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯆꯍꯤꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯣꯄꯔ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯠꯂꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯁꯤꯄꯥꯜ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯤꯄꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ